Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So for our next dip powder collection video, you guys voted for 3 different companies. That is ViviDip, Panda, and Miss Raven. So we did these 3 companies together because these are smaller collections, because they're kind of new to me, really. So let's just start out with ViviDip. So I only have 4 colors. And I actually think I never swatched these. One of them is a sample size that I traded with a friend. Yeah, but I never swatched these, so I'll have to just show you. I wore all 3 of these though on my nails, so I'll have to just show you that picture. But so the first one we have is Spice It Up, and this is one of my favorite reds for fall. This is going to be great for Christmas also. It's just that really nice brownish red. This is so pretty. And then the next one we have is Rusty Mermaid, which this glitter, it's chunky, it's gorgeous, but it was so easy to work with. Like one of the easiest glitters to work with ever. I freaking love it. How perfect for fall, right? And like that'd be great for Thanksgiving too. And then we have Tranquil, if my camera will focus. So I traded some Tranquil for this next color that we're going to look at. So this jar looks a little empty compared to the other 2, but still a lot in there. This is a gorgeous green. And again, I'll have to show you the 3 of those that they're on my nails because I never went back and swatched these. So I traded some Tranquil with my friend to get some Shifty Sangria, which is another gorgeous glitter. This is like a purple burgundy glitter. And I have not worn this just yet. So then we have Panda. And I pretty much have worn all of these except for 2 colors. 2 colors I did apply on my cousin. So this is Let Freedom Ring. This is a gorgeous copper glitter. I mean, so pretty. And it was super easy to work with. I mean, that is just stunning. That's another great one for fall. And then we have Bright Stars, which is, it's a white glitter, but the glitter is like gold. I think that this one and Let Freedom Ring was 4th of July stuff. And then we have Paris, which is a sheer white, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It goes really well with Bright Stars. And then we have Flawless. This is a really pretty mauve glitter. I did wear this one. My camera's not going to focus on it, but it has really pretty hollow in there. And then we have Holy Chic, which this I wore with Flawless because it's kind of like that purpley mauve. And these were really easy to work with. And here are the swatches for those. So we have Paris, Bright Stars, Holy Chic, Flawless, and Let Freedom Ring. So if you love copper, you really need to get Let Freedom Ring. It is beautiful, and this was really easy to use. So Miss Raven powders, I've never bought from her. I traded some powders with somebody, and they sent me a crap ton of Miss Raven stuff. So I only have 2 in the jar, and the rest are kind of like in baggies. I never put them in a jar. But we have Cowgirl in the Sand. I've used this a good few times. And I did use this for my beach nail. This was the sand color for that. Really easy color. Zombie Apocalypse I had planned to wear during like Halloween this year, and I never freaking got to it, and I'm so mad at myself because I've been wanting to wear this for so long, like literally since she came out with it. So I'm so mad at myself. So I don't know, I might throw this in for Christmas. You think it would work as a Christmas one? It's so pretty. Like when you apply it, it really does look like blood drips. Let me show you the swatches for those. So there is Cowgirl in the Sand and Zombie Apocalypse. Again, the glitter in Zombie Apocalypse, I don't know, it just really does look like blood drips to me. I just freaking love it so much. So here's all the samples. Actually, this is just a glitter. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this is Miss Raven too. Miss Raven Butterfly glitter. So this is like rose gold butterflies. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if, like, it came in her order or something. I don't know if I have every one of these swatched or not, actually. I couldn't find them. I think I do. I might have pictures of the swatches. I don't know what I've done here. So we have Dollface. I swear I swatched these. Why can I not find the swatches to them? I think I have the pictures of the swatches saved in my phone, though. I don't know. I'm weird, you guys. Okay, so there's that one, and then we have Miss Raven. How do I say that? I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but it looks like a white glitter, or shimmer, I mean. And then we have Miss Raven Aurora, which looks like a beautiful nude. And then we have Ice Ice Fairy. Ooh, I need to wear this. This is a perfect winter glitter. Ooh, that's beautiful. I don't know if I swatched this one. I don't know, but that's gorgeous. I definitely need to wear that. And then Nudie Magazine Day, which is obviously a great nude. I think that's one of her more popular sellers, isn't it? And then so is Sunday Brunch, which would go well with that one, because it's just like a nude glitter. And that's... Oh, look. I have a couple swatches here. I don't know about the other ones. Maybe I didn't swatch those. But I do have Sunday Brunch, Nudie Magazine Day, and Hello Dollface. I don't know why I didn't swatch the other ones, or maybe I did. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, I know this was like a shorter video. I'll put up a voting system on my Instagram, so make sure you check out my Instagram for like the next dip powder collection that you guys want to see. I have a few more that are smaller that I can kind of lump together in one video like we did this one. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.